Hi, and welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. Today we're going to be looking at an all-new Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard boat for sale and currently available. The best feature about this boat is that it has a bright red hull. This will make it easy for your friends to spot you on the water when you're meeting up at Cayo Casa or Cabbage Key. On the back of this boat, it's fitted with an outboard motor. Okay, now that we're aboard the boat, you'll notice that there's a really nice tan color interior. On the back, there's a sun pad. This could be in the upright position, how we have it now, or I could have it lying down flat. There's plenty of storage on this boat. Now that we've entered the boat, you'll notice the classic Sea Ray L-shaped seating. There's also a cooler underneath to keep your beverages cold. There's another seat as well. I love Sea Rays because I think that they are great entertaining boats. You'll notice again with the upholstery, the tan, and then it has the black, and then there's the black Sea Ray logo. To take you over now to the helm. Notice this boat is equipped with Simrad and Fusion radio. Under here, there's a small head down below. Once we go towards the front of the boat, notice again that same tan interior, plenty of storage space. The anchor up there. What's great about this windshield is that it comes down, be full glass. There's a nice bimini top in that tan color that can be taken on and off. If you want more information about this boat or any of our other boats, please feel free to call 239-481-8200 today and make your appointment to come out and give this boat a sea trial.